Hey, I'm Mark Hamrock with Hamrock Music, and in this lesson we're going to look at a fabulous way of creating bass lines using the pentatonic scale. Now there's different approaches to coming up with bass lines. One of them is using intervals in the chord that's being played, which is good stylistically for most forms of music, including blues, rock, reggae, and more. The approach we're going to look at is to use a scale, in this example specifically the A minor pentatonic scale, to create a bass line. This approach works really good for creating funk bass lines. What we're going to do is we're going to start with the first pattern of the A minor pentatonic scale on the 5th fret. I'm assuming you know it, but just to review, the fingering starting on the 4th string is 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. So the root note of the scale, A, is a note we're going to be starting on with the first finger on the 4th string. This is going to be the anchor note we're going to want to come back to as a rhythmic foundation. So over a backing track, what I'm going to do is play the root note on beat 1 of each measure. Now to make it groove a little more, we can add the and of 1 to lock in with the kick drum. So that's going to sound like this. Okay, so let's get to the fun part. I'm going to keep the root note foundation on the first 2 eighth notes of the measure, but then I'm going to add a fill using the rest of the scale through the rest of the measure. So I'll start simple and then gradually get a little more complex. I'll throw in some slides and hammer-ons and all kinds of techniques. Here we go. So as you can see, that's a great way of coming up with bass lines. I'm improvising all that. And so just like anything, the more you do of it, the better you get. You just have to practice it. And this is, the stuff you hear Flea doing, obviously, and, a lot of other funk bass players. So I hope you enjoyed that lesson and look for more.